Hello everyone. This is my project VoxDeploy, an AI-powered DevOps platform that I built from scratch that does two things. First, when a GitHub Actions workflow fails, it automatically catches the webhook and reads the error log with Gemini API and returns a precise git diff and open a pull request with zero human involvement. And this part get repeated recursively until your errors get resolved. Second, your entire infrastructure, Kubernetes cluster, Docker container, metrics can be controlled from a single mobile app in any language. It be English, Hindi, Spanish, Japanese, it doesn't matter. You can also speak, though it's coming soon, and it's work in progress. Alright, so let me first start by what is this project made of and what did I use to make this project. Okay, so the backend is written in Golang and the mobile app is in React Native. The AI stack is Gemini 2.5 Flash for code generation and Grok for Whisper Large 3 model for speech and Lingodev for real-time translation, and everything runs on Kubernetes with Prometheus metrics. Alright, so this is my homepage, and at the top you can see the system status, if it's online, meaning the Go backend is reachable or not. Below the Prometheus platform panel, this pulls live data from Prometheus every 10 seconds, and you can see repo that it's connected to. When you sync the key metrics and how many CI failures got, and you can check out how many PRs are actually open right now. Right now, success rate is nearly about 70%, and every failure came out. The VoxDeploy caught and face submitted a PR form. Down here is AI performance, average latency, and P95 latency for Gemini face generation. Tells you how fast the AI responded to production. Alright. So this is our target repository that we are going to deliberate a bug into code base. Watch what happens when I push it. You can see it's downloading the workflow logs right now from GitHub's API. Now it's sending those logs to Gemini, and Gemini came back. It identified the exact bug. Now it's fetching source code. And after all this, you can check the raw diff that the Gemini produced. You can actually check and see exactly what it wants to change, the operator, the logic, the exact line. It is not replacing the full file. Instead, it's actually checking and comparing against the original file and only doing the necessary changes to fix the errors instead of writing it all together. Okay, PR opened, as you can see. That's it. Alright, so this is the control screen. From here I can show you how I can manage all my Kubernetes cluster, Docker containers, and all the query metrics all in natural language from my own phone. So here's my cluster, as you can see. See all the deployments, which namespace it's in, and how many replicas are ready. This is hitting the real cluster right now through Kubernetes API, not mock simulation. Alright, so let's pull all the pods across every namespace. Now this is our control screen. As you can see, I can control all my Kubernetes functions such as deployments. I can check out logs and scale my deployments in two different levels. Also, I can control my Docker and also check out the metrics of my project. Alright, so this page is what's make our project different from every other DevOps tool that's out there. And now we also use Lingo out there as I'm participating in this hackathon. Hopefully I can place one. Okay, so as you can see, we have same three mode of Kubernetes, Docker, and metrics, same commands, but instead of typing preset, I can also speak or type in any language that I can think of. Let me try Hindi first. Alright, so as you can see, the translated field. Lingo dev took the Hindi command and translated it into Hindi, and the Kubernetes responded with the real code list. Same result as before, but different language. Now I am going to scale the deployment in Hindi. As you can see, it's scaled in Hindi against a real Kubernetes cluster. Alright, let me try Japanese a little bit. As you can see, it's showing all the pods and different stuff, as you can see. Also, I can check AI latency and all the different matrices of this project. Thank you. Alright, so we are down to our last two pages. So at top you can see our generated AI summary, pipeline health, and Gemini readings, and all the live Prometheus matrices. Below you can check out the raw numbers, CI code failures, and PR opened, all the stuff. And let's move to our last page. That's it. That's setting tab. Here you can actually customize which repo you want to use, your personal access token you can provide to use this project, and all the stuff. And thank you.